Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya na amiri jeshi mkuu wa majeshi yote ya ulinzi.
Mutongoria wa bururi na atongoria githirikari-ini ica-ini nguhi matihotete kuhitha moruru mao maria maumanite na gukirirwo kwa mitaratara na tabarira cia thirikari nenda cia muingi ikihuthika ni aria mataranyita thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza mbaru kunyagia ndumiriri cia kwagira kiene mibango na mitaratara ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
I see clearly that a lot of what passes for fact are actually falsehood, and that most opposition is based on inaccurate representations and sometimes outright disinformation.
Igogona ria 61 ria Jamhuri, President Ruto ni ahuthirire mweke uyu kuria a Kenya mehuge gwitikia ndeto ciothe iratambio cia kuregana na tabarira cia thirikari.
If some of us persist in the culture of reckless negativity, for how long will cynics mobilize Kenyans to deny facts that they can feel, that they can touch, and they can see?
Ruto ugite ona thengia wa morito maria magumire bururi, Kenya ni tacukitie makinya ma kwarahura tabarira na kugacirithia mitaratara itiganite, akihinyiriria gukirira tabarira ici hatari na gitumi niguo muhenga munene hari uthii wa na mbere wa bururi.
If we give in to these emerging negative trends, we shall pay with our freedom, democracy, and development. Let us endeavor to engage on the basis of truth. Failure to do so will take us down the path of negativity, tear us away from the values we cherish, and turn us into a people estranged from unity, who sabotage development, undermine democracy, and destroy our republic in pursuit of political expediency.
Imwe ya mibango iria Ruto ateteire ni mubango wa marihi ma urigitani wa SHA, mubango wa waki wa nyumba cia raithi, oho agikinyiriria thogora wa indo itiganite ni ucokete thi.
When we say that the cost of basic commodities has come down, it is a fact. When we say that inflation has come down, it is a fact. What will they say in a few weeks' time when we begin to give keys to new homeowners of our affordable housing units?
No ona president agitetagira mibango ya thirikari yake makiria ma miaka eri wathanine aingi a Kenya matiganire na mwathanire wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kwabatira kwa garama ya muturire na wagi wa mawira ari mamwe ma maria mamahatiririe. President William Ruto ni ahuthirire mabura ma Jamhuri muthenya wa umuthe kwagira kiene mĩario ya aria makoretwo magiukirira tabarira cia thirikari, akiuga ihinda ni rigukinya matiguo mekonotete wona thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yarikia kuhingia ciraniro ciayo ciothe kuri muingi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kiharo kia Uhuru Gardens, kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Ciake.